Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a Honda Odyssey, that generation here from year 2011 to year 2017. If you have one of those guys, you need to find where the fuse for the rear power outlet socket, the one that you plug to charge your phone and things like that in the rear guys, if it doesn't work, we'll explain which fuse you need to check, where to buy cheap fuses and relays, that way you don't waste your money guys, and why it's important to test fuses and relays. Stay with us, we'll explain all that in this video today for your convenience. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us. If you guys have a Honda Odyssey, that generation from year 2011 all the way to year 2017 guys, we will make a video about every single fuse, every relay. Why? Because in the manual sometimes it's not clear what the fuses relays are for. Okay, it could say something like FI. How do you know that this is the fuel injection, but actually it's for the fuel pump? So we're going to make video for every single fuse, every relay, because most of you will eventually even lose your manuals and they're not clearly written guys. We're doing that to save you time and money. So if you need to find a fuse and you're down the road, let's say you need to find the engine starter fuse, all you have to do, just search for it, 1 second, the video pops out and you can find which fuse you need to check. Another thing now guys, we're constantly working here at the garage on cars, constantly taking things apart, and we make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos on every car we get at the garage. We have more than 1.2 million subscribers on our channels guys. Check it out if you need help with mechanical work, body work, anything like that, it will be there. Now something else guys, relays, fuses, okay, they could be really expensive. You have special fuses, you can see like the J-case fuses, you have mini blade fuses, multi-fuse box, okay, and these fuses could be really expensive. So guys, we're going to show you those are Honda specific fuses that can be really hard to find, or they can cost you a lot of money. So we'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get fuses, relays at a good price and quick shipping as well. So let's go ahead and continue now. So the rear power outlet socket we're going to demonstrate on 2015 Honda Odyssey right here guys. Now that Honda Odyssey has 5 different fuse boxes, but we'll need to just open the fuse box that's on the front. Right, on the front you have 2 fuse boxes, one on the driver's side under the dash there, and one on the passenger side by that kick panel. If you remove the plastic there, you will see a fuse box, and once you open that fuse box you will see a layout that looks just like this one guys. Now before we continue, let's explain why it's important to test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important guys to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. The fuse now for the rear power outlet. Okay, if you see right here you have a row of fuses here and there. That's fuse number 1 through 15, and here you have fuse number 16 through 28. Now if we zoom in a little bit and you come in that section right here, the second fuse from left to right, that fuse is number 14. You can see number 14 right here underneath the fuse. That fuse guys will need to be checked for the rear power outlet. If it doesn't work, check that 15M fuse. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.